Hello everyone, this is our Space microblogging app. Here's where you sign up and sign in. So over here you can basically look at information about the stars, about planets as well. Clicking on these gives you information on each planet, about some articles on rockets, as well as an AR view on Mars. Space stories from space pioneers, news on NASA. You can listen to some music as well. More blogs, things related to Star Wars, the top 10 space movies, some other articles, info on the satellites, meteors, UFO sightings. And you can look into your profile as well. And that's about it.